A2 verse 2015 Infiniti Q50, no start. It shut off while it was driving. They throw some spark plugs. It didn't help. It cranks, and it's not firing. So I'm looking at the timing numbers right there, and I'm gonna crank it, highlight it, and the one below it, highlight it, and the one below it. There you go. And I'm gonna crank it again, and we're gonna see the timing numbers. Minus 20. Okay.
Listen, let me get the
That's bad enough. Okay. Minus 20 still shows that. All right, we're gonna do the timing and come back with the results. The timing job is in order here. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.